más. Alright, empieza la predicción. Minus 64 plus 64. True. Sí. Okay. I'm stressed. Estoy estresada. So 2 1 2 wait 1 1 1. Okay. The score is 35? I'm so stupid. I got 35. 35. How do you even get 64? Help. So my IQ score is 35? You almost had perfectly half mine. I'm gonna kill myself. Thank you. I'm so stupid. So 1 oxy makes a Sylvee. 2 oxys make a Sylvee, and then 2 Sylvees make a Daarick. That's so stupid. I'm dumb. This is an actual IQ test? Yeah, 2 oxys make a Sylvee, 2 Sylvees make a Daarick. No, Sylvee, you're not dumb. I'm dumb. How the fuck did he score a 128? Date mayo, Sasuke! Yo!